Oh, that looks so good.
Here's a post-workout smoothie. This is delicious, nutritious. Try this out. I got 3 frozen bananas, nice and ripe before you freeze them. I'm going to use 4 or 5 dates that are soaked in about 12 ounces of water. Soak those overnight. I'm going to use 2 or 3 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I got a cup or so of frozen blueberries. I have about a cup of almond milk. I'm going to use a big scoop of the Marcus Roscrans green formula. That's just like dried wild plants, herbs, greens, good stuff. A couple tablespoons of cacao powder. A big scoop of the raw organic meal from, what's this company called? Garden of Life. And a couple tablespoons of raw almond butter. So that is it right there. Throw all that in the blender. There's the finished product. It was about almost 1.5 liters. Gonna enjoy that thing. Oh man, it smells good. Try this one out. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Give a thumbs up if you like this stuff. And we'll see everyone soon. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.